Tapescript 3.9.3.
Hello, young man. Could you tell me your symptom, please?
Sorry, doctor. I don't understand.
Could you tell me what is wrong with you, please? Your symptoms?
Oh, I have a headache.
Is it severe? Is it very bad?
Yes, and I have a pain behind my eyes. I also have bad pains in my muscles and in my elbows and knees. They hurt a lot, and I feel sick all the time.
Okay. I'll take your temperature. Could you sit here, please? Nurse, could you pass me the thermometers, please? Open your mouth. Good. Could you keep the thermometer in your mouth for 2 minutes, please, young man? You have a temperature of 39 degrees. This is very bad. Could you take your shirt off, please? Yes. You have a rash on your back, a big red spot.
Oh, is it very bad?
No, it is not severe. Not too bad. Now, could you put your shirt back on, please?
Oh, could you tell me your diagnosis, please, doctor?
I have looked at your symptoms. My diagnosis is you have dengue fever.
Dengue fever?
Yes, I will do a blood test. Your test results should be ready tomorrow. I will give you some medicine now to help you. Then you should go home and rest. Could you come back tomorrow and see the health volunteer? She should be here at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Okay, doctor. Could you write the name of the medicine on the prescription for me, please?
Yes, take it to the pharmacy. The pharmacist should be able to give you the medicine immediately. You should feel better tomorrow.
Could you tell me where the pharmacy is, please?
Speak to the nurse. She will help you.
Thank you, doctor.
Symptom. Symptom.
Severe, severe. Elbow, elbow. Temperature, temperature.
Thermometer. Thermometer. Rash. Rash.
Diagnosis, diagnosis.
Dengue fever. Dengue fever.
Prescription, prescription.